In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Chase app not working in 2026. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem, so let's get through it. The first thing you want to do is check if the Chase server is currently running well, because sometimes what happens is if your server is facing problems, of course you're going to be facing problem, you can simply go ahead and head into downdetector.com and check the Chase banking. Then the other thing you want to do is check your internet connection, try switching between your mobile and your Wi-Fi, or you could also try restarting your router to have a strong signal. You can also go ahead and try to close and reopen the application, which generally does fix your problem. If it doesn't, then you want to head to the App Store or Google Play. That you want to simply go ahead and click on the update button if there are any updates available for Chase. If none of it works, then simply go ahead and try restarting your device. And if that is also not the case, you can try to clear cache on Android or offload in app or offload app in iPhone. You could also go ahead and check your date and time settings and make sure it is on set automatically. And finally, if none of it works, just try to uninstall and reinstall the application or even contact Chase support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.